Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell about RCA Universal Remote codes for TCL TV. Here I explain the 5-digit TCL TV codes. Please keep watching this video. Here I am telling about programming method. For this, first step is turn on the TV and place the batteries in the remote. Then press the TV button. Enter the code. I tell about program the remote without codes. First of all, power your TV, power on your TV and point the RCA remotes towards to it. Then hold down the TV and the power button at the same time until LED turns on, and then you can let go for the keys. Save the settings, press the play key while pointing remote towards the TV and wait 5 seconds. If the TV turns off, then press the reverse key to set comes back on. If the TV doesn't turn off, keep pressing the play key till it does. When your TV turns back on, press the stop key, the save settings, and after the RCA Universal Remote should be work seamlessly. Now I tell about use the code search. For this, turn on the TV, point to remote at the TV. Then press and hold the code search button. The LED light should be turned on. Select the device. If you are programming for a TV, press the TV key, and for the any other devices, press the respective button and LED should light up once they stay on. Save the code.